So in this video I want to show you a first rhythm on the piano that uses both hands. It's very simple, just 4 chords and 4 notes, and I learned that using the Pianoforall method, so check the link to discover this method that I really recommend. So we will use 4 basic chords: C major, A minor, F major, G major, and the same note on the left hand, so C, A, F, G. So when you want to give a bit of rhythm in your chord progression, what you can do is simply to alternate both hands. So you play one note with the left hand and one chord on the right hand, and you alternate. So you can play this way. You can also play it a bit more in a percussion way if you want. That's kind of fun. So the idea is simply just to alternate, so you can do different speeds, doesn't matter. So of course, to start with, start slowly as always. The idea is to be regular. It's not you see, I don't know if you can. So this is very irregular and doesn't sound really good like that. So try to be very regular like that. You can use a metronome, so you stay on the beat. Okay. So it is a bit boring to stay on the same chord all the time, of course, and we have 3 other chords to use, so let's use it. So we'll do the same thing, but we will change chords simply. So let's do it slowly for C to start with. So we'll do 2 times each note and each chord. So 1, 2, then we move on the A. Okay, 2 times. Then on the F. And then on G. So start again slowly. Play with me. Okay, do it at the same time. Oops. So when I speak sometimes. So try to play that with me. It will be a good exercise, and you will see if you can follow or not. If it's a bit too fast, well, you can slow down the video probably. I'll try to do it slowly for you. It's always the same position for the right fingers. So you see, I don't move my fingers. Okay, sorry for that. I just move my hand. And when you feel more confident, you accelerate, that I already did. feel the rhythm. And if you hit the wrong keys, that's fine. Just continue. You see? Feel the rhythm. Don't forget that the piano is somehow a percussion instrument. So you can play with that. Faster. Or softer. You can put more intensity, but the speed doesn't change. I'm using the same speed, I just change the intensity of the notes to add a bit of flair. So that's it. That was this first reason that I recommend. If you want more videos like that, show me and show the algorithm that you like it. So like it simply. Follow me, and I will do more videos like that